Well, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. It feels so good to have you here with us. Finding that perfect place to plant roots, a place that feels like home from the moment you arrive. It's not just about the four walls of a house, but the community, the story, the life you build there. Today we're going on a special journey, exploring wonderful retirement towns across the country for 2025. These aren't just places on a map, communities brimming with life, character, and a sense of peace. We've sought out hidden gems, towns that offer a little something extra. Get cozy, grab a cup of coffee, let your imagination wander. Let's get started and find a place that speaks to your heart. Our first stop brings us to the heart of the Blue Ridge Mountains, to the vibrant and soulful town of Asheville, North Carolina. There's a creative energy here that you can feel in the air. It's a place where nature's masterpiece meets human artistry. The downtown area is a living gallery filled with independent shops, farm-to-table restaurants, and countless art studios. The Blue Ridge Parkway is right at your doorstep, a gateway to hiking trails, cascading waterfalls, and quiet spots for reflection. Next, we're heading west to Prescott, Arizona. They call it everybody's hometown, and you'll understand why. The heart is its historic downtown, centered around the beautiful courthouse plaza and lined with buildings from the turn of the century. Surrounded by Prescott National Forest, the landscape features granite dells and beautiful lakes perfect for outdoor recreation. The community is incredibly active. Clubs cover every interest from pickleball to quilting, making it easy to find your tribe. Let's journey to the coast of Florida, to America's oldest city, St. Augustine. Stepping into this town is like stepping back in time. The Spanish colonial architecture and coquina walls tell a story centuries old. Just a short drive over the Bridge of Lions, you'll find miles of pristine white sand beaches. It's for the person who dreams of a life filled with history, art, and the gentle rhythm of the sea. Now let's head to the Pacific Northwest, where the Cascade Mountains meet the high desert, Bend, Oregon. If your retirement vision is less about slowing down and more about adventure, this might be perfect for you. The scenery here is jaw-dropping. The Deschutes River flows right through town, a hub of activity for water sports enthusiasts. World-class skiing in winter, incredible hiking and mountain biking when the snow melts. Downtown features fantastic breweries. Bend is famous for its craft beer scene, along with great restaurants and unique shops. Our next journey takes us to a city that's undergone remarkable transformation, Greenville, South Carolina. They transformed a busy road into Falls Park on the Reedy. Sweeping views, waterfalls, green lawns perfect for picnics and concerts. Downtown is the crown jewel. Main Street, tree-lined and lively with top-notch restaurants and cultural venues. The Swamp Rabbit Trail offers 22 miles of greenway for biking, walking, and connecting with nature. Culture thrives here. The Peace Center brings Broadway shows, and there are festivals year-round. Let's travel north to Idaho's Panhandle, to a place of breathtaking natural beauty, Coeur d'Alene. Nestled on the shores of Lake Coeur d'Alene, this is a haven for peace and life connected to water. Life revolves around the seasons of the lake, alive with boats and swimmers in summer, peaceful reflection in quieter seasons. The downtown area has a charming, walkable resort town feel with art galleries, unique boutiques, and lakeview restaurants. The holiday light show is legendary, and summer events bring the community together around this beautiful lake setting. Next, we visit the shores of Lake Michigan, Traverse City, Michigan, the quintessential summer dream that's wonderful year-round. The bay's Caribbean-like turquoise hues and miles of sandy beaches, including Sleeping Bear Dunes, once named America's most beautiful place. Traverse City is the heart of Michigan's wine country, with scenic country roads connecting award-winning wineries. Famous for cherries, the Summer National Cherry Festival celebrates local agriculture and the incredible farm-to-table dining scene. Downtown charms with Victorian architecture and the wonderful State Theater, a classic American Main Street full of life. Let's get lost in the winding streets of Eureka Springs, Arkansas, tucked into the Ozark Mountains, not built on a grid but into the land's contours. The entire downtown is on the National Register, a labyrinth of Victorian architecture with an undeniable artsy bohemian vibe. A sanctuary for artists, writers, and free spirits with dozens of galleries, quirky shops, and studios where you can meet the makers. surrounded by the Ozarks with access to Beaver Lake and White River, a place to feel restored by the landscape. Heading to Big Sky Country and Bozeman, Montana, a town embodying the rugged, majestic spirit of the American West. Surrounded by towering mountain ranges, this is for those who feel the call of the wild. The grandeur of nature is a way of life. World-class fly fishing, incredible hiking trails, epic skiing. Yellowstone National Park is just a scenic drive away. Despite wild access, Bozeman is sophisticated with Montana State University, adding youthful energy, and the Museum of the Rockies. Growing retiree community of outdoor enthusiasts who value the friendly, down-to-earth atmosphere and shared mountain passions. For our final stop, we return to South Carolina's coast, to Beaufort, the very definition of Southern charm. This low-country gem moves at the gentle pace of tides, where Spanish moss drips from ancient oaks and life feels steeped in grace. The second oldest city in South Carolina, with breathtaking antebellum homes and a historic district that's a national treasure. Life centers around water, the waterfront park perfect for watching dolphins, enjoying sunsets, and feeling the gentle sea breeze. For nature lovers, the Sea Islands offer pristine beaches, kayaking through salt marshes, and incredible bird watching. A landscape both beautiful and full of life. From the mountain artistry of Asheville to the low country grace of Beaufort, I hope you saw something that sparked a dream in your heart. Finding the right place for your next chapter is such a personal journey. It's about finding the lifestyle that will bring you the most joy. Whether you see yourself hiking in mountains, walking on beaches, or exploring vibrant downtowns, that perfect place is out there waiting. We'd love to hear which town spoke to you. Please leave a comment and tell us where you could picture your dream retirement. Thank you for spending this time with us today. It means the world to have you as part of this community. If you enjoyed this tour and want more inspiration for intentional living, I'd be honored if you'd subscribe to the channel. We have so many more stories and beautiful places to share. Until next time, dream big and find beauty in your everyday.